everything changes.
I'm printing off some more of the satNOG tracking parts. Now I just want to show you the importance again, the first layer right. Camera's playing silly buggers again with its focus. If I can get in and get it to focus, you'll see the bottom layer. I think it's because it's moving about, it's not helping it. Let me try. That's helped it a bit. Once you get the first layer down right, nice and flat and even, everything else tends to go fine from there on in. So we can trick it again. There we go. So yeah, getting the first layer down on these things is the most vital thing, I think. If I could get it to focus a bit more, I could show you some other detail. That's better. Look how glossy that is. You can see the head reflecting back in the shine. So I was printing with this yesterday. Printed the first lot of parts out, a gear and a bearing side piece. So it was already configured and levelled ready. I just started printing with it again, and that's what I'm getting. Didn't even have to do a dummy run, straight off the bat that is. Turned the machine on, warmed it up, got printing. That's how we like it. Just wait for the print head to finish, fill in this side, and then I can get the camera in again. But I can say that once the first layer's down, I can once the first layer's down, I can pretty much turn my back and get on with what I'm doing without having to worry that it's going to screw up. The only thing you do have to worry about is keeping the machine fed. There we go. Keeping the machine fed and just making sure that the filament's slack and it doesn't pull, otherwise it can get a nasty yank and it pulls the whole thing forward and throws the whole spool onto the bed. That's not good. I'm going to try and get some threaded bar up here to make a hanger for putting all my reels on, and I wouldn't mind getting myself a dual nozzle and go print with a couple of colours. I hear it's not easy, but that's something I'd like to try. So I'm picking away, getting through the list of parts that I need to build my satNOGS tracker, satellite tracker that is, for anyone who's just watching for the first time. So I'm going to leave that now and let that get on with it. Not sure how long's on this print actually, not how long it's going to take. Probably work it out from that. It's 4% done in 17 minutes, so do the maths. Give us an approximate time. It's quite happy printing away, got no concerns. A few line streaks in that. I suppose there's ways of smoothing that out, but you know, as long as it functions, it's not going to look pretty. I'm going to carry on plugging away and printing off parts until I've got enough to build the tracker unit, and I'll do a video on that as well. satNOGS, as I mentioned in the other video, I've got all their all the documentation and files on their website, and they've got Eagle files on there for all the electronics as well, and I'll be milling those out myself using my trusty CNC 3040, making the boards that I need, and then I'm testing that out, sort of video out for that. I'm very impressed with this little machine, I have to say. For the money, it's doing what it was built to do. Look at that. That's nice and shiny. I like that. be able to see it a bit better when the, or rather I will, you won't, but when the part gets a bit more height to it, and you can see more of the layers. You can see how fine they are, but I'm going to leave that and let that finish and get on with something else. So occasionally I'll turn around and just give the filament a bit of a check to make sure it's free and not going to drag and snag, and that's all there is to it then. Me and this camera aren't friends, but it's rubbish focus. Right, well, I'll call this video at that, and that's all I wanted to show you really, was getting the first layer down. You know, just once you've got that, you can have confidence that the rest of the print will go okay. Still printed at 0.25 layout, by the way, and that's my print temperatures and bed temperatures. 197 for the PLA, 60 for the bed. First layer is 205 degrees C and 65 degrees C for the bed, and then after that this is what they'll. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.